crocodiles run?
They can! Not for long, but fast! Hold on!
Logan, are you sure this is safe? I've never been in a chopper before.
It's perfectly safe, Nora. Just relax.
Wow, this is so cool. Yeah, let's go. Okay, I'm ready.
All right, let's go.
Don't worry. Everything is absolutely safe. The pilot has a lot of experience.
Oh, this view is amazing. Check it out. Look at the cars. They're so tiny now. Like toy cars.
Look at that beautiful little bird. It's flying so close.
Yeah. And the trees look like little bushes. It's like we're super tall or something.
Sometimes it's useful to rise a little higher. You immediately see how big and beautiful the world is.
The sky is so clear and blue.
I'm glad you're enjoying it. We're gonna fly over the park and the river. You're gonna see a bunch of cool stuff.
Dad, it's getting really dark. Is this normal?
It's okay, buddy. This is just a storm. The pilot knows what to do. We're safe.
Logan, how long does this usually last? The thunder is so loud.
It'll be fine, honey. Storms like this pass pretty fast. Just a few minutes, I bet.
I thought we'd just see the park and the river. Not a thunderstorm.
Yeah, this wasn't in the plan. But hey, it's kind of exciting, right? Like a real adventure.
Like in superhero movies, when the hero flies through the storm to save someone. Yeah, maybe we're the heroes today, just for flying through it.
You two are always so brave. I love that about you.
You know, sometimes adventures have surprises. And the best part is, we're together. That's what matters.
Like the video if you enjoyed it. Click the bell icon. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new exciting stories.
The electronic system has failed.
The lightning damaged the onboard computers and navigation equipment.
The communication and control systems are not working. This makes it difficult to orient ourselves in space.
Dad, I see an island in the ocean. It's so beautiful, just like in a cartoon.
Good job noticing that, son.
Yes, that's an island. Do you see how the water around it shimmers with different colors? That's because the sun is breaking through the clouds.
Oh, there are palm trees. Absolutely, I can see them. And the sand is so white, like powdered sugar. Can we land there, please? It's probably not stormy there at all. Logan, is that even possible? Can the helicopter land there?
There's a flat coastal zone there. The island is suitable for a temporary landing. So, if the storm doesn't subside, we'll land there. What clean air here! After that storm, this is like a miracle. Right now, our main thing is to wait out the storm.
Mom, Dad, look! There's a little crocodile. It's so tiny. Can we go closer?
Stop, Oven. We don't go near the water. Even little crocodiles can be unpredictable. It's not safe. We'll just watch from here.
Usually, mother crocodiles guard their babies. So if the little crocodile is here alone, that means she's somewhere nearby, maybe underwater, or behind that big rock. Crocodiles can stay underwater for several hours in a state of rest.
Crocodiles are long-lived. Some species can live up to 100 years.
Can we get a little closer? Oh, she's so huge!
Stay calm, don't scatter, stay together. Nora, take Eliza's hand. Oven, give me your hand.
She's really running! Can crocodiles run?
They can! Not for long, but fast! Hold on! Faster! Don't look back, just run!
Is he still there? Is he catching up?
He's still behind, but we can't slow down!
On the sand, it's harder for the crocodile. He's used to water and thickets.
We have to run away from him. Wait, I hear something. Has it slowed down?
No, don't stop! It's a trap! It might lunge!
Did the crocodile stop? I think, yes, it's not moving forward anymore.
Don't celebrate too soon. Keep your distance. And don't take your eyes off it.
The crocodile is gone. We're safe.
We made it. Because we're together, we're one family, and we're one team.
This is a hibiscus flower. People make the ruby red hibiscus tea carcade beloved by many from its buds. How beautiful it is!
Why are the hibiscus leaves sticky?
Hibiscus is considered a natural barometer. Before rain, its flowers produce more nectar and become sticky. Wow, it got so dark all of a sudden! And the rain is so heavy!
Don't worry, we'll find shelter under that big tree. It's just a typical tropical downpour. It'll pass quickly.
What a heavy downpour!
It's great we made it to this tree in time. Under this canopy, we could stand all night. Not a single drop will get us.
This is a ceiba tree. Its seeds are covered in fluffy hairs that are used as fiber for stuffing furniture and life vests. Quiet! It's a python. Pythons hear through their skin and jawbones. They sense our every move. Stay still.
But I think it already noticed us. Move slowly, together, to the right. No sudden moves, okay?
Okay, we got it.
Mom, who is that?
That's a monitor lizard, the largest lizard in the world. Its length can reach almost 3 meters, and its weight up to 150 kg.
Let's run away from it!
No. When you meet a monitor lizard, you shouldn't run. Fast movement can trigger its hunting instinct.
Let's climb a tree. They can run fast. They reach speeds up to 30 km/h. Climb trees and swim.
Nora, take the kids by the hands and calmly step back. No sudden movements. I'll distract the monitor lizard.
Okay.
Stay together. Keep moving.
We are. Be careful. I read in an encyclopedia that a monitor lizard has a strong tail. A tail strike from an adult monitor lizard can knock a person off their feet. Don't worry, everything will be fine.
Well, little travelers, we've got a lot of adventures today, and I think it's time for a snack.
Yes, great idea. I'm hungry.
Well, kids, how do you like this tropical picnic?
I want a sandwich. It smells so good. Yes, we're all hungry.
Let's do this. One sandwich each first, then we'll have a fruit platter. What do you think?
Yes!
Then let's get to it. Oh, it seems we have a guest.
Mom, she's looking at the sandwich.
Here you go, sweet monkey. Enjoy. She's smart. She took exactly what she wanted, and now she's watching to see if we'll get angry. We're not angry. We're just glad she stopped by for a moment.
Let's follow her. Maybe she'll show us her friends.
Really? What if there's a whole group of curious ones just like her? That would be amazing.
We won't chase her, remember. If she wants to, she'll lead us somewhere. And if not, it's still nice that she's sitting with us.
Sometimes the most valuable thing is simply being together, without trying to figure everything out at once. She's already told us so much with her big eyes and the way she holds that sandwich so carefully.
Well, okay. It's just that I thought it would be cool to see where she lives, and how they all play among the palm trees.
Me too. Maybe she'll wave her little paw at us from afar later, or bring someone closer once she truly believes we're not scary.
Exactly. So kids, what do you think of our island? It seems to be the most beautiful place in the world.
Look at those huge waves, and the air is so fresh. Mom, Dad, look, the birds! They're so big! These are albatrosses. Albatrosses have a wingspan that can reach 3.5 meters. That's like 2 people holding hands and stretching their arms out. To breed, a pair builds a nest, and the female lays a single egg. The parents take turns incubating it for almost 3 months.
Albatrosses love to travel. They can fly up to 80 kilometers per hour.
That was an unforgettable journey.
Will we come back to this island again? We'll definitely come back.
Like the video if you enjoyed it. Click the bell icon, subscribe to our channel so you won't miss new videos.